Regression in machine learning. Regression is a supervised machine learning technique. It is used to predict continuous numerical values. This means regression helps us predict values like price, temperature, sales, or scores. Regression works by learning the relationship between input variables called features and an output variable called the target. It helps us understand how changes in one or more factors affect a measurable outcome. Regression is widely used in forecasting, risk analysis, decision-making, and trend estimation. Regression models work with real-valued outputs. They help identify the strength and type of relationship between variables. Types of regression. Regression can be classified into different types. Some common types of regression are simple linear regression. Simple linear regression is a statistical technique. It models the relationship between one independent variable and one continuous dependent variable. The goal is to minimize the total squared error between predicted and actual values. It assumes a constant rate of change. This means when the input changes, the output changes proportionally. Application of simple linear regression. Estimating house price using only the size of the house. Advantage of simple linear regression. It is easy to understand and interpret. Disadvantage of simple linear regression. It cannot capture complex or curved data patterns. Multiple linear regression. Multiple linear regression is an extension of simple linear regression. It models the relationship between multiple input variables and one continuous output. Each input variable is assigned a weight. This weight shows how strongly that variable affects the outcome. Application of multiple linear regression. Predicting house prices using size, location, age, and number of rooms. Advantage of multiple linear regression. It captures the combined influence of many factors at the same time. Disadvantage of multiple linear regression. Performance decreases when input variables are highly correlated. Polynomial regression. Polynomial regression models the relationship between variables using polynomial terms. It transforms input features into higher-order terms like square or cube values. Application of polynomial regression. Modeling growth trends like population increase or temperature variation. Advantage of polynomial regression. It captures non-linear relationships using a linear model framework. Disadvantage of polynomial regression. High-degree polynomials may cause overfitting. Ridge and lasso regression. Ridge and lasso regression are regularization techniques. They are based on linear regression. They add penalty terms to the loss function. This helps prevent large coefficient values. Ridge regression uses L2 penalty. It reduces coefficient values smoothly. Lasso regression uses L1 penalty. It can reduce some coefficients to 0. This helps in feature selection. Application of ridge and lasso regression. Used in high-dimensional datasets like marketing analysis or gene expression data. Advantage of ridge and lasso regression. They reduce overfitting and improve model generalization. Disadvantage of ridge and lasso regression. The penalty makes interpretation slightly complex. Support vector regression. Support vector regression is based on support vector machines. It tries to fit the best possible line within a fixed margin around the data. The model focuses only on data points outside this margin. It uses kernel functions to handle linear and nonlinear relationships. Application of support vector regression. Predicting stock prices or energy consumption. Disadvantage of support vector regression. It performs well on complex and high-dimensional data. Disadvantage of support vector regression. It is computationally expensive and requires careful tuning. Decision tree regression. Decision tree regression is a nonlinear regression technique. It splits data into branches based on feature conditions. Each internal node represents a decision. Each leaf node represents a predicted value. Application of decision tree regression. Predicting customer spending behavior. Advantage of decision tree regression. It is easy to visualize and understand. Disadvantage of decision tree regression. It easily overfits when the tree becomes deep. Random forest regression. Random forest regression is an ensemble learning technique. It builds multiple decision trees using different subsets of data. The final prediction is the average of all tree predictions. This reduces overfitting and improves accuracy. Application of random forest regression. Sales forecasting, demand planning, and churn prediction. Advantage of random forest regression. It provides high accuracy and stable performance. Disadvantage of random forest regression. It is difficult to interpret due to many trees. Thank you for watching. Learn simply and become a tech pro.